Hey everyone, this is Angela, and today we're going over how to make Jiffy Cornbread super moist. You might be team moist cornbread, or you might like your cornbread nice and crumbly, but if you like moist cornbread like I do, we're going to start out with 2 boxes of Jiffy for this recipe. And because I buy extras of everything and store it in the basement, I'm going to go ahead and break up my cornbread mix a little bit with with a whisk. You'll see it. Lumpy cornbread is okay if yours is fresh cornbread. You probably don't need to do this step, but I do. As you can see, I'm just going to break up those chunks right now because Lord only knows how long that cornbread has been in the basement. And then we'll start adding the liquids. Use buttermilk if you have it. If you don't, you can use regular milk or add some white vinegar to make homemade buttermilk. Add the melted butter and plenty of honey. And then we'll add sour cream and a pinch of salt because I like to boost the other flavors. You don't have to add the salt if you don't want to. And then add your eggs. Okay, once you have all of those ingredients added, those are the keys to making your Jiffy cornbread super moist, the ultimate moist Jiffy cornbread. We're gonna mix that all up, and remember, you don't have to get super smooth, like you don't have to get rid of all the lumps in your batter, but you do want everything evenly combined. Then while you're putting everything together, make sure that your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you like, you can have your cast iron skillet or your 8x8 baking dish in the oven so that it's nice and toasty and hot. You can put a little extra butter in to melt while it's preheating, which is great for making a crispy crust on your cornbread. Once your batter is fully mixed, go ahead and transfer that into your prepared baking dish. Make sure it is liberally greased so that you don't have any sticky spots. Smooth out the batter and go ahead and pop this into your preheated oven. You're going to bake it for at least 20 to 25 minutes in a skillet, and it takes a little bit longer, like 30 to 35 minutes in a pan like this. And there you have it. That is my ultimate Jiffy cornbread, the way that I make it for the super moist cornbread that I love most of the time. Sometimes I like drier cornbread, but there you go, fabulously moist. I have more stir-ins and ideas on the website, so be sure to stop in at bakeitwithlove.com and follow me for more great recipes. There are over 2,000 on the website. I know you'll find something you'll love. Thanks for watching, and see you later.